Achy Dad here. I'm gonna go to the Apple store in New York City right behind me. Just give you a quick look at it. This is their flagship store.
Learning how to control yourself. I get it now. You really showed me something unbelievable.
I'm just here to check out the iPhone 11 with those 3 new lenses and the new keyboard on the MacBook Pro.
How you doing? Come on in. Hi, man.
And there are lots and lots of people to help you learn how to use things that you're interested in.
And there's also
Are those 3D cameras?
These up to my lips.
Sure. I know $299 is for the MacBook Pros. $49 is for the MacBook Airs. Yeah, that will cover you for 3 years. Yeah. Thank you.
You can cover or no? Cover?
Yeah.
Because I think so. It's much better.
Mama, you stay like and the static electricity flew through my finger.
Oh my gosh. Zap.
Well, what are we doing?
I can almost bite it.
Okay.
Well, that was awesome. The 13-inch MacBook Pro comes with the old keyboard and not a physical escape key, but they will put the new keyboard in. And my 2017 MacBook Pro will take the new keyboard free of charge in a replacement program. So, I'm not sure what to do, but I think I want the 13-inch because my trade-in on my 2017 is like $1,000. So I think it's a good moment to upgrade. My grandmother always said, invest in 3 things: education, travel, and tools of the trade. So I have justification from my grandmother. And houses, of course. That was awesome. I hadn't been in the Apple store, I guess, since they put all the trees in. The 13-inch MacBook Pro didn't have the physical escape key. It has the old keyboard. I guess the 16-inch has the new keyboard. But I love the iPhone 11 with the 3 lenses, and I can get a refund on a trade-in on this one. A lot of walking, that's what happens in New York City. Walking, walking, walking. No wonder New Yorkers have such nice legs, right? They're all walking. I've always thought like in walking cities, people have beautiful strong legs and kind of small upper bodies, and you get out to the country, the pickup trucks and construction workers, and there's big upper bodies and little teeny legs like in The Incredibles. All right, stay computing out there no matter what you use, Chromebook, Windows, Android, Apple. Stay good to yourself with tools of your trade.